Today we are going to see a most very interesting and very important topic, break-even point. This is comes under management accounting, even though in cost accounting also. Why it is comes under management accounting? Because the break-even point is used by the management to take decisions for the purpose of making policies and procedures and how to increase the profit or reduce the cost. For that purpose, the break-even point is helpful for the management peoples. So that's why it is comes under a management accounting. Okay, what is a break-even point? Why it is used by the management for taking the purpose? How much it is important? Let us see. Okay, what is a break-even point in the sense? It is used to determine how to make a profit or how to increase a profit. In simple ways, we can say it as if the break-even point is like no profit, no loss point. What is a no profit, no loss point? For example, if I say, if you sell 100 products, you will get 1000 rupees as a sales income. Okay, then how much it is your profit? In the sense, you will get 10 rupees or profit or 20 rupees profit. Then what does it mean? If you sell 100 products, you will get 10 rupees profit. Just like that, if you say, if I sell 90 products, in the sense, I'll get loss. Then, so that's why the break-even point is important. That is a stage of no profit, no loss. If I sell 95 units of product, in the sense, I'll get 0 profit and 0 loss. Then what does it mean? If I sell 96 products, in the sense, I can get profit. If I sell 94 products, in the sense, I'll get loss. So it is a simple way. So the management, if they need to increase the profit, in the sense, they will automatically increase the sales estimation, automatically increase the production. Likewise, they can increase their profit. They can easily reduce their loss also. So we can see what is a break-even point. It is especially used for making their pricing strategy and business plan. For everything, they can use the break-even point. Its formula is break-even point means total cost that is equals to total revenue. That is it. That point is called as break-even point. Here, cost. There are two types of cost are involved in it. What are the types of cost in the sense? One is a variable cost. Another one is the fixed cost. These are the two types of cost. What is meant by a variable cost? That cost which varies according to the number of units produced in the company. Okay, number of units produced in the sense how much the company is producing. Depending upon that cost is vary in the sense that is called variable cost. Then what is meant by a fixed cost? In simple ways, it is a inverse of a variable cost. This fixed cost that does not change according to the number of units produced. That is called the fixed cost. For example, we can say rent, salary. These are like a fixed cost examples. If for example rent, that is a fixed cost. In simple ways, we can say if 4 members in a family, in the sense the house rent is 2000 rupees. For example, if the 2 members are going abroad or somewhere else, if there is only 2 persons in the house, in the sense we can't give 1000 rupees as a rent. So number of variable depending upon the number of variables, if the cost cannot change, in the sense that are called as fixed cost. If it is vary, in the sense that is called variable cost. So fixed cost and variable cost, this is. What is mean by total cost? The total sum of variable cost and fixed cost. That sum amount is called as the total cost. That is what the types of cost. Then what is mean by a unit price? Unit price in the sense the price amount of a single product or single unit. That amount is called as the unit price. We can see it in the cost sheet or cost accounting. This part is very much involved in that. How to fix a unit price? We can fix it like from work cost, prime cost or factory cost. Then comes under selling and distribution cost. Then comes under cost of production. Then we can include the profit. Then comes cost per unit. That is called as the unit price per cost. How much cost we given to a product, single product price. That is called as unit price. Then total cost, in the sense I already told you that fixed cost plus variable cost, that is equal to total cost. Then total variable cost in the sense expected unit of sales into variable cost per unit, right? Variable cost per unit is completely differ from selling price per unit. Okay, variable cost is different, then selling price per unit is different. If you multiply expected unit of sales into variable cost per unit, then it is called as a total variable cost. Then total revenue, that is total sales. What does it mean? Like expected unit of sales into unit price, that is called as sales. That is total amount of sales. Then if we can calculate if we are in a profit stage or in the loss stage, how we can calculate in the sense total revenue minus total cost, that is total income minus total cost. If you are in the positive side, then we can say it as a profit. If you are in the negative side, then we can say it as a loss. That is called as a profit or loss. Thank you.